To install the Fit3x car seat with the vehicle seatbelt in the rear-facing position, begin by storing the lower anchors. To do that, start by unbuckling the chest clip and harness buckle. Loosen the harness by pressing the harness release button and pulling forward on both of the harness straps. Remove the newborn insert and side support. Pull up on the headrest adjustment handle until the headrest reaches the highest position. Lift the headrest padding and unfasten the snaps on the backrest padding and pull it down. Store the lower anchor straps in the lower anchor storage compartment. Make sure the lower anchor connectors, lower anchor adjuster, and all the straps are fully stored inside the compartment. Reattach the backrest padding by fastening the snaps. Pull the headrest padding down. Make sure the headrest padding is unfolded and covering the car seat backrest. Place the newborn insert and replace the side support if your child weighs between 5 and 11 pounds. Place the Fit3x on your vehicle seat in the rear-facing position. Make sure it is not blocking the vehicle seatbelt buckle and that the base is flat on the vehicle seating surface. Adjust the seat recline by squeezing the recline adjustment handle and rotating the Fit3x forward. Locate the bubble level indicator. Make sure the bubble falls between the two lines for proper rear-facing installation mode. Make sure the overhang beyond the front edge of the vehicle seat does not exceed 3 inches. Route the vehicle lap shoulder belt through the blue rear-facing belt path on the side of the vehicle car seat. With your other hand, guide the vehicle lap shoulder belt under the seat pad through the rear-facing belt path on the opposite side of the car seat. Make sure the lap shoulder belt is in front of the crotch strap. Buckle the lap shoulder belt. Ensure the front edge of the car seat is touching the backrest of the vehicle seat. While pushing down on the Fit3x, pull up on the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten the lap portion of the seat belt. Once tight, slide the vehicle shoulder belt into the rear-facing lock-off. Always use the lock-off on the opposite side of the seatbelt buckle. As an option, you can pull the rest of the seatbelt out to lock the retractor. You should no longer be able to pull out any slack. Hold the Fit3x at the belt path and pull side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure the bubble is still between the two lines for rear-facing installation.